It's a scam.
Hi neighbors, so Hannah and I are going shopping today. It's a very warm, toasty Saturday afternoon. So we only have about 2 hours to get our shopping done and come back home because
I am going to a dinner, a birthday dinner.
yeah, for a school friend, right? Yeah, so we have to get her back here so she can, you know, nice up herself, fix up herself and whatnot. So yeah. So I think we found a winner, or at least, or should I say 2 winners. So how you feel?
I am very happy.
So
Very, very
so
happy.
so which one you gonna wear?
The black one.
The black one. Okay, I think that's a good choice. Very nice. Both of them fit so good. So we're happy. What time is it now? We have a little under an hour left to, you know, get the gift
1:30.
and grab some dinner because I ain't cooking tonight. So you're gonna go get the gift back and I get some dinner.
Yes.
All right. So meet me back at Popeyes.
Okay.
Can you manage? Will you be okay?
Yes, I'll be fine.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Don't spend off all of the money. Can I get a 9-piece family meal? Thank you. Let's go. We come bearing gifts.
For me, you shouldn't
Literally.
have. You shouldn't have.
Can I get a massage? My back at me. My chest at me.
That's all. Popeyes, and what is that?
Clothes and a gift.
Hiya! Hello there! You come to greet mommy?
The kids are fine with me, by the way. They gave no problem, but they're happy to see their mother and them sister nonetheless.
You come to look? Oh my god, I love you guys so much. Excuse me,
Come on to the mommy's way.
can I pass you?
Ask her what's the password.
May I pass you, please? Eva? Oh, I saw a neighbor. Come on.
Where you saw her in Popeyes?
No, she was in the plaza, in the store.
Did you get her name?
No, she said it just walking by, kind of cheeky.
He's like, I know you.
I know you. Like, hiding from me in the house.
Oh boy.
Big up yourself, neighbor. We saw you, Bruno. Out.
Remember the
Listen.
last video? Well, one of the last video we talked about what we did 5 times.
Well, what we did today, we will probably have to do 5 times as well, which was to see our daughter off attending a sweet 16 birthday celebration for one of our friends. So
5 times, but
Hannah actually has, it's April. We're in April, right? We're in April?
yeah.
So this is the first celebration, sweet 16 celebration for the year. She has a second one this month. And I suspect that there may be a couple more before her own in November. Yeah.
Oh, Hannah is 16 this year.
Hannah is 16 this year. So, you know, this is the special year. Parents seem to be keeping it low key. You know, it's she's going to a dinner with a couple of friends. Not no whole heap of big splendid. Back in the days, you know, when I got sweet 16 party, a big sound system set up and curry goat and baked chicken or fried chicken cook and, you know, you lock off your corner and curry goat or curry chicken, you lock off corner and, you know, love song or play and you have your first dance and
No, so
you never have none of that. That wasn't quite your experience
First of all,
of sweet 16s.
I don't know if men have sweet 16 or men don't turn 16, we just go 15 then 17.
Boys don't really, it's celebrate, it's not sweet. It's not sweet for the boys.
So you're 14, 15 and you just jump to 17. 16 never happened, right?
Nobody celebrated you at 16.
No, I have no recollection of that. I have no recollection of that.
I didn't do anything like that for my 16th birthday. My parents were not the party throwing type. I think I got gifts. I would have gotten nice gifts from them. You know, gold chain and bracelet and things like that.
Yeah, it's a girl thing. You just have to.
Yeah, I would have gotten something special for my sweet 16.
And we do have 5 girls, right? So
better believe, say, and it's 2 at a time. Them are gonna celebrate it, you know. so, so double celebration. Double celebration. But at least, you know, the good thing is that on a 4 different party, a 2-2 party.
but it's same amount of food.
Yeah, and let's hope they keep the same friends so we don't have 2 guest lists working with 2 sets of guest lists working with each time. But whatever the case might be, you know, I think there are certain milestones that are worth celebrating. You know, and why do we celebrate these sweet 16 or sweet 15? Because I know in Mexico is quinceañera or whatever. Yeah, but it's a transition time, you know. From
but what does 16? 16 doesn't mark anything legally.
16.
What does it mark? Why 16?
Isn't 16 the age of consent? Isn't 16
that just get reduced?
The
But
age for sexual consent?
I don't know. So I don't think that's why.
I stop shake up.
I don't think
the whole vlog a shake.
I don't think that's why them have it. That couldn't be.
No, I don't think that's why. But it's you're legally an adult at 18. 16 is almost like that transitional period just before you leave your childhood and you enter adulthood. Yeah, it's like that 2-year mark. For me, I never felt the transition at 16. I felt it at 17. At 17, it became significant for me, I guess, because I was out of 5th form and in 6th form. 6th form, I can't say 6th form did much for me academically, but I felt like that period between 16 and 18 before I officially left high school, I did a lot of growing up in that 2-year period of time. It was a period of a lot of, you know, self-awareness and, you know, exploration of relationships, and by that time you kind of get out of that conflict. You're emerging from that conflict, for me anyway, emerging from that conflict that you and your parents constantly have, and you know they feel less like your opposition and your enemy are more like your friend.
Oh, I think I need to be young again.
Well, you don't have any recollection of any of this.
Not really, not really.
This was a memory for me. I also think I had my first boyfriend at, that 16, 17 age. Mother never know though, but to date.
Well, she knows now. She watching.
But I mean, eventually, yeah, she found out. It was revealed to her. But yeah, at that time, I think I went on my first date at about 16, facilitated by my sister. Thank you very much, Genevieve, for chaperoning.
Genevieve.
My older sister offered to chaperone on my first date, and that we should definitely, for her now, I think that is how it should be.
Okay.
For all our girls, I think we shouldn't be the type of parents who once you get to the stage and dating, we should
Be involved.
we should be, and we should facilitate. We were talking last night, and I was
It'd be
asking
cool.
him,
Would be cool.
yeah, I was asking Paul how you would feel. We were watching. What were we watching? We were watching I think it was a KFC ad on TV, where a young girl and a young man are sitting in the living room or wherever in the house, and having a very intimate moment and getting very close to each other.
And then the father come downstairs.
And plants a box of wings between them. Boom! And it's like, you. And, for me, I don't think that your child should be hiding and dating. For me, the safest thing is, being, for both sets of parents, for the parents of the other person, they should come to the house and sit down and have their talk and get to know each other and be supervised. I don't believe in unsupervised visits at all. No check-in. I'm not gonna check now. No child of mine. I mean, I know. Or you have to sit down out a door and, because that was it for me, My friend come visit me. So I have to stand up at the gate.
Talk to the girl.
Talk to her. You didn't have to do that?
No, sir.
What did you do?
Them time they're afraid of girl.
At 16?
Oh, 16. How old was I in sixth form?
Sixth form, you would have been like 17, 18 in sixth form.
I start high school at
12.
That's 18. Also, I wasn't 18 in sixth form.
16, 17, 18 you would have been.
Probably 16, 17. That's for another vlog.
No. Tell him no.
No, that's for another vlog.
So what? You was checking girl through grill too?
No.
Past the son, past the son.
But my mother knew.
Your mother knew?
Yeah, and all parents knew each other's parents and knew her for a long time. So we're just friends for a while, and then but it wasn't unusual because we always went to the same church.
Yeah, so you went to this, you met up, you had the same social life,
circles, right?
Circle.
So you go to church on a Saturday at rehearsal. Yeah, you're going to rehearsal, but you see your friend.
Your friend, your special friend. For me, it wasn't church. It was your bus stop. You walk up a bus stop. You see a special friend at the bus stop or at the bus park. You're waiting for the bus to come to Portmore, and you have to stand up like everybody out to the bus door, or you have to wait on the school bus. So you stand up under the bus shed.
What happened?
You want to be in the conversation? Girl, look up on camera. What
you hear about?
Say your story. Well, turn on at your story. You guys are gonna enjoy these kinds of stories.
No trouble, you know. No trouble. Good girls, good girls.
Yes.
Okay?
No hide and date. No. No. And no boyfriend before you reach what? 16, 17 before you even think about nothing like that. That's right. What do you say, guys? What do you say? How was your sweet 16? Wanna take a sweet 16 party?
And the gentlemen. One of them thing that we just reach 17. you're 15 for 2 years. And then boom, you turn 17. It's like
So what is it?
nothing happens at 16.
So
you see?
what's the significance of 17 though for men, for boys?
It's not a matter of significance. It's a matter of not celebrating the
16. I see. So is there any age
you realize
that you
it's
celebrate?
long time men being on the fringes of society and being marginalized, discriminated against. Why would we have something for ourselves at teenager?
On a bar mitzvah.
That is Jewish and 13, not at 17, 18.
Well, you can start something for the young men of this
Yeah, man, the
day and
young
age.
men need something to be recognized that, you know, you're moving from boyhood to manhood.
That's true. That's true. That is. I agree. You know, I agree. I think if we had more things like that, if it wasn't so commercialized and so and treated with such frivolity, it could really be a good time for for women and men to help girls and boys, you know, through that transition stage and to help them to kind of navigate adulthood, because adulting is hard. It's hard.
Yeah, adulting is overrated, guys. It's a scam.
Nobody told you life was gonna be this way.
Yeah, trust me, adulting.
Your job's a joke, you broke. You love life still your way.
But you know what would be interesting for you though? It's in the same way that I think the Jews do it, the bar mitzvah thing, where it's
Yeah.
not about, oh, you're turning,
Just a party.
yeah, you're turning big person, so let's party or let's
Yeah.
date. I mean, okay, but how about having a day where, the cycle you have in third form a career day where you can say, hey, these are your options, what are you interested in doing? There are best routes that would get you where you want to go in a more efficient time. So those things you need to learn. People don't teach about managing your money, about credit cards,
Yeah,
and these dangers of the real world
facts of
that
life.
can
Yeah.
help you to get advanced quicker, or it can set you back if you make a wrong decision. Not that it's going to end your life, but it may set you back a couple of years. I remember when I got my first credit card, I bought a keyboard like within a month, and the keyboard cost over $100,000. And
Said keyboard.
To
With you. It was not a wasted investment.
it wasn't wasted, but it was ill-timed and it was a poor decision.
Because you eventually sold said keyboard for a very worthy cause.
Yes. Nonetheless, the point is, buy with the credit card and then racking up these charges
Debts.
every month, and trying to crawl your way out of. So things are progressing. Everybody growing up,
Yeah.
and we have to grow up too.
Yeah. So, you know, we celebrate all of the members of the neighborhood who are having birthdays this month. Paul will be having a birthday. Eden and Ava will be having a birthday this month. We also celebrate one of Hannah's friends shares a birthday with you. She'll be going to dinner. Kaylee,
She wasn't born the
happy birthday
same
when it
year though.
comes.
I was born some years before her.
Right. But anybody having a birthday this month, happy birthday to you. If you're celebrating your 16th birthday, and this year, an extra special sweet 16 to all our birthday celebrants.
And if you're a male celebrating your 16th birthday, an extra special happy birthday to you.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching and see you in the next vlog.